Today is a very sad day. I just saw on the news where Dolly Parton died, and just like all Southerners, we do everything with food. We celebrate, we mourn, and so in the morning, I thought I knew she had cake mix and cake icing. I thought I would make one in her honor. Dolly was a big part of my childhood. I watched her show with Porter Wagner every weekend, and it was with my mom, my dad, or my grandparents, but we all loved it. And I can remember my favorite song when I was a little girl was The Coat of Many Colors, because it talked about how she came from nothing and how her mom had sewed her a coat out of just different materials that they had. And I could relate to that because my mom made a lot of my clothes. And so I guess in a way she was a hero to me as a child. Then later, not only was she a musical artist, she became an actor. And I'm going to kind of be in and out because I'll tell you about what her cake mix calls for. Calls for a cup of milk in the cake, and then half a cup of butter melted, and 4 eggs. And she didn't mind who she worked with. She worked with all kinds of artists. I think she worked the longest with probably Porter Wagner or Kenny Rogers, and they made all kinds of content for people to enjoy. But, one of the things that I really admired about her was she kept her personal life personal. You didn't see her husband. She kept him out of the spotlight. She kept the spotlight on her music or on her movies. In today's world, we want to post everything about what we ate, where we went. She wasn't like that. She didn't need to be. Now, this cake, it's simple like she is. It didn't say use a mixer. It said put everything in a bowl and whisk it together. And doesn't that remind you of Dolly? Just a sweet country girl. So I'm just going to stir this around, kind of get some of the lumps out of it with my whisk. And I'm going to spray my pan, and I'm just going to make it simple like she was. I'm going to make it in a 9 by 13 and just pour the batter in it. And another thing I admired about her is she didn't mind what genre she was working with. She, of course, was one of the queens of country music. Everybody in my family loved her, all the way from my grandmother to my mom and dad to my other grandparents. Every single person that I knew loved Dolly. And there's no wonder why. She was such a giving person. I mean, she started the Imagination Library, and I couldn't believe when she did that because at that point I had grandchildren and they just started getting these books in the mail. And I was a school principal. And so they, asked us to sign kids up for it. And, at that time I worked in a school where kids didn't have books in their house. They didn't have anything that their parents could read to them. And she did that. She sent them books for free from birth to 5 years old. That's how much she loved people. And not only that, she loved East Tennessee. We lived there for a while outside of Pigeon Forge, not far, about an hour. And when that hurricane messed up East Tennessee, she gave tons of money because she loved her hometown and she came from nothing. So she wanted to give back. And that's rare in the world today. So I'm going to put the cake in the oven. It's going to bake probably about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. I got the cake out of the oven. I'm doing what I always do. I'm stirring this store-bought icing. It makes it smoother and easier to spread on this cake. But as we're icing this cake, I just remember some things. Back, I'd say the summer of maybe 1983, my dad had just died, and the song Islands in the Stream, Kenny Rogers and Dolly. My mom played that song all the time, and it makes me think about her when I think about Dolly, because she loved that song, and I love that song. And then, Dolly also about that time started Dollywood in East Tennessee. And when our boys were in elementary school, we took them to Dollywood, and they loved it, and we did too. And it really made a great attraction to East Tennessee. And in fact, our oldest son went back there this summer, and he came back so excited, telling me of the rides he rode that he remembered riding when he was a child. So really, Dolly, she did a lot from the 70s, the 80s, the 90s. I think a lot of her movies maybe were in the 90s when she was doing that. And, she had some great hits on the movies, 9 to 5, Steel Magnolias, some movies I just loved. And, you know, she was a person that kind of stayed in the spotlight, but always in a positive way, like with Imagination Library, like with her music, like with her movies. But what I'm most impressed about is that even in her 70s, she was reinventing herself. And she made some Christian music with Zach Williams, There Was Jesus, or with For King and Country, God Only Knows. Even in her 70s, she was doing what she loved, being a Christian. And I will put a list of all the awards she won, because she won her last award just this month. So that spanned from the 80s all the way to 2026. And she was a great person. And I know today Jesus said to her, "Well done, good and faithful servant." We'll get back to our regular cooking this week, but I just couldn't let this day pass without recognizing an icon from my childhood. Thanks, and have a great day.